Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix unable to load video and error occurred while loading a higher quality version of this video. So guys, if you're also facing this issue on your Apple device, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that simply open settings on your device and then go to general and then go to software update and make sure that you are using the updated version, and if there is any update available for you like this, simply update it. And after this, go back and go to iPhone storage and then check your iPhone storage, and if it is full then delete some useless data from your device. And after this, go back and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply go to date and time and set your date and time. Again, go back and go to VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN. Again, go back and go to transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply connect your device with a stronger internet connection and make sure that you are not using a weak internet connection. So guys, make sure that you are using a stronger internet connection, and after this, check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply restart your device for one time. So guys, do this, and after this, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.